Hey, it's your boy Waleed Talks Finance, back with another video. Make sure you guys go down, smash the like button, and subscribe for new money making videos. Today we're going to be checking out Irazoo, giving my honest feedback, and I'm going to look at the internal platform of Irazoo, and I'm going to be looking at all the details of how much it pays and what is the payout method, and also the cash from this website. Okay, let's get started. So Irazoo, they're paying their members cash, seen on Crazy Coupon, Yahoo, CNN, Wall Street, how it works. Also, I'm going to be giving a secret method for only my subscribers for them to earn even more money from this website. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Alright, so let's look at Irazoo on Trustpilot. This is a great website where people will give their reviews and verify the company details. You see this app is rated 4.2 stars. It is a great app. Excellent app, amazing reviews. See a bunch of reviews. See, there is the usual, a lot of people are reviewing it. Some people are having issues, but I'm sure if they contacted support they can probably get some help from there. And if not, there's other websites that you can work on. But it seems legit. Let's look at actually the 1-star reviews. When were they? They have about 14% of bad. November, October. So I see over here June, July. I see that these were older reviews. So newer reviews, they had some issues where they weren't paying out to their users in the past, but I believe right now has fixed, because the recent reviews are good. Okay, let's actually log in and join. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on join button on top right. You can either join with your Facebook or join. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click on join button on top right. You can either join with your Facebook or join with your email. You can either join with on top right. You can either join with your Facebook or join with your email. You can either join with Facebook or you can join your email. See, you get paid for completing. Okay, so this is the platform and how it looks. And so there's a lot of ways that you can make money. So you will see on their dashboard, you can earn a lot of ways that you can make money. So you will see on their dashboard, you can earn money, you can special offer, you can download app and make money. You can take a surveys. So you take a survey, you get 300 points. Take the surveys. For example, we start a survey. What I do like about this website, it is a clean layout. They have a clean layout. Let's just put whatever. But I do recommend that you, like any type of surveys, that you complete your basic profile, and that's it. I see over here that some of them ones, like, see, it says win big, let's try this offer. It's not. Some of them might be removed, some of them is not working at the moment. But points required to redeem, you need 3,000 points to redeem. What you can do is, just by doing your profile questions and verifying, you can earn 100 points and 50 points by verifying your email. Then you can go on automatic profile. You get 100 points per each 100 points and 50 points by verifying your email. Then you can go on automatic profile. You get 100 points per each profile. 100, 200, 300. Here there's a bonus. Earn 25 points, get 5 points. So you have every day, you have daily goals. So you earn 20. Other way that you can earn money is by playing games. You can earn 1 Irazoo point per each minute you play a game. So up to 3,000 divided by 300. You would have to do 10 300 point surveys in order to redeem $5. 15 minutes. sometimes more, sometimes less, but let's average out to 15 minutes, right? So 15 minutes times 10 is 150. So in order to only make $5 PayPal, it can take you an hour. In reality, this is a really bad investment of your time. In this time, you could. So this was your boy Waleed Talks Finance. Until next time, peace.